This is our ninth task. What is the task? In this case, we use has next. Input format. Read some unknown end lines of input from system.in until you reach end of the file. Each line of input contains a non-empty string. You can't put any lines empty. Scanner system.in, because from this you should have to call your inputs. Now you should declare a variable for counting your input lines. It should begin from 1. Now you can use for loop to enter the string types inputs. I don't input the counter into the for loop because it was declared the above. Now you should give the x dot has next and increment. You should increment the I. What is the purpose of has next? Has next checks if there is more input to read. It returns true as long as the input stream is not empty or EOF. EOF means end of file has not been reached. Now I'm going to make a variable to get inputs from the user string because your data type should be string. String x equal ex dot next line you should print the line number and keep the space between number and your sentence. Therefore, include the quotes after the I, and then you can include your input variable x. See, Now you can print your outputs. See, it's correct. Now you can submit the code. If you get something in this video, don't forget to subscribe us, share, like, comment. Thanks for watching.